Hey bud, you just waking up? You've been climbing up on top of your cage a lot. Hey bud. Alright. Pepper's walking on over here. Hey girl. What you doing, girl? What? Why you biting me? Why you biting me, girl? Oh, well, looks like I'm holding Pepper. Alright, come here, girl. Come here. Alright, okay. Monkey, what you doing hiding behind that? What you doing, girl? What you doing? What you hiding back there for? Ow, Pepper! What you doing? No, you can't stand on my head. No. What you doing, girl? Alright. Here's my dude right here. This is my best buddy right here. You gonna dance, Pepper? You gonna dance? They will dance to music. Well, at least Monkey will. Hey, don't fight. Hey. No, I don't want you fighting. Nope. Oh, they're dancing.
Can Mom go again?
What is it, a YouTube channel?